Hi, welcome to TMetric Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Figma workspace to the TMetric time tracking app and track time spent working on a design with one mouse click. I've already installed the TMetric browser plugin and configured the settings to allow time tracking in Figma. Now, when I open a file in my Figma account, I find a TMetric timer button in the upper toolbar. Clicking the Start Timer button will create a time entry in TMetric. The time logged in Figma will be displayed on the Time page. A created time entry can be edited. I can change the name of the task, the project, and the tags of the issue. Finally, when a design is finished, I can easily create a report in TMetric and send an invoice to my client to get paid for the work I've done. TMetric has a powerful set of features. Among them are team management, billing and invoicing, task management, reporting, project management, time-off management, work scheduling, more than 50 integrations with popular services. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.